Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Epic Games account. If you want to delete your existing account for Epic Games, but you don't know how, then follow the steps. Make sure that you open your Epic Games application or simply visit a web browser and type in epicgames.com. Press enter on your keyboard and log into your Epic Games account like you normally do. You may also open the Epic Games application. After you are in the main homepage of Epic Games, click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up displayed on the top right hand corner, click on the account button. This will now take you to your web browser and get you to the account settings page. From the account settings tab, scroll all the way down and look for this button that says Request Account Delete. Remember that once you request to delete your account, you'll lose all of your personal information, purchases, games progress, in-game content, and Epic Games wallet account. Once the account is gone, your wallet balance will also be gone forever. If you're sure you'd like to delete the account, click on the Request Account Delete button and your account will be deleted in 14 days. During the 14 days period, you can log in to reactivate your account if you ever change your mind about your account deletion. Once you click the button, it'll take you to a pop-up where you'll need to click the delete account button again. Wait for a few seconds and then it'll ask you to enter your security code. Simply go ahead and open up your email inbox and click open the email that you received from Epic Games. Copy the security code and then paste it in the pop-up. Now click on Confirm Account Deletion button. Select a region while you are trying to delete the service and click Continue. You can also skip this process by clicking Skip this. And once you do that, your account will be deleted or deactivated. Click the Log Out button and that is how you can easily delete your Epic Games account if you no longer wish to continue using it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you'll never miss another interesting upcoming tutorials from us. I'll be back with more of these videos. Again, thanks for watching.